Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. Are you seeing a no input detected message on your VIZIO smart TV, even though your device is connected? Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through simple and proven steps to fix this issue and get your screen working again. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your HDMI connection. First, let's start with the most common cause, a loose or faulty HDMI cable. Unplug the HDMI cable from both your VIZIO TV and the connected device, such as a streaming box, console, or Blu-ray player. Wait for 10 seconds, then plug it back in firmly and securely. Make sure you connect it to the correct HDMI port that matches your input selection. If you have multiple HDMI ports, try switching to another one, for example, from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2, and see if the picture appears. This simple step often solves the no input detected error instantly. Step 2. Verify the input source. Next, ensure that your TV is set to the right input source. Press the input or source button on your remote control and cycle through all available HDMI inputs. Pause for a few seconds on each input to check if your video source appears. Sometimes, users connect their device to HDMI 2, but the TV is set to HDMI 1. Causing the no input detected message. If you're unsure, note which HDMI port the cable is plugged into. Then select that exact input from the TV menu. Step 3. Power cycle your devices. If the problem continues, perform a power cycle. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall outlet. Also unplug the connected HDMI device, such as your laptop or streaming box. Wait for 60 seconds. Now, plug both devices back in and turn them on. Power cycling helps reset any temporary communication issues between your TV and connected device. Many times, this simple restart brings your display back immediately. Step 4. Inspect the HDMI cable and device. If the issue persists, it might be a faulty HDMI cable or port. Try using a different HDMI cable, ideally, a high-speed one that supports 4K if needed. Also, test the connected device on another TV to confirm it's outputting video correctly. If your device works fine on another TV, then the problem is likely with your VIZIO's HDMI port, and switching ports or replacing the cable can fix it. Step 5. Check TV settings and update firmware. Finally, make sure your TV's firmware is up to date. Go to Menu System, check for updates, and install any available updates. This ensures that HDMI detection runs smoothly and compatibility issues are minimized. If the TV still doesn't detect input, go to Menu System Reset and Admin Soft Power Cycle. This will refresh your TV without deleting your settings. And that's it. Your VIZIO TV should now detect the input source and display the picture correctly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to help others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next troubleshooting guide on the Tech Vibe channel.